Hello, welcome to Happy Journal Day 255, and today I want to talk about systems. Systems, because life is all about systems. Everything you see working today is as a result of a working system. Everything that has stood the test of time and is working right now, it's because it became a system. So how does leading my life and system correlate? So what is a system? A system is a set of connected parts that work as a whole. So the key thing about systems is that it wants to create interdependency. This has to work on this, this must work on this. So for a person leading their life, it is telling you that beyond your motivation, beyond your willpower, you need something that drives you, that pulls you, whether you have the energy, whether you feel like showing up or not. Systems can help you show up for every time you need to show up. It is looking at the process and not just the outcome. Yes, the outcome will come if we follow the process. So what system is doing here is helping you with the process of purpose. Okay, an example of how the system works is that a goal, like I said, system is beyond goal, it is beyond your motivation. It is sticking to the process to get the outcome. So an example is, if you want to, maybe you have a goal of reading 4 books in a month, and then let's say 28 days, and then you share it weekly. Maybe your weekends are for something else, and then 5 days in a week for 1 book. A system, this is where system comes in. Instead of just waiting with the plan of, I'm going to read 4 books in this month, a system breaks it down to the point of 1 book 1 week. But in that 1 week, the first 5 days, if it's a 200-page book or a 100-page book, that means I'll be reading 20 pages in 1 day. Do you understand? So 20 pages. That means you have to now calculate how many hours it takes to read 20 page of that book. This is how systems work. You hear people say systems and structures. Systems and structures. Structures are the beginning part of it, when you started it, and now it's now become a habit, a routine. And so why it's an overriding system, it is because of the structure you laid at the beginning. Today is not about structure, today is about system, but these two words somehow they are correlating. So focus on the process. The outcome, don't worry. The process is all that matters. Let us start focusing on our processes, on how to get things done, instead of wishing and praying for things to become done. So plunge yourself into something that works. Plunge yourself into a process that is working, and see to it that your life starts working in that path you want. The miracle you're looking for is hidden in the process. The process, people might not see it. Nobody might see it. But do it, because if you're going to come out here and shine and be that and become that trailblazing person, it is because you're a person of process. Become a person of process today, and I promise you, nobody will be able to match your results. Thank you so much for joining my happy journal for today. See you tomorrow in my next video. I had so much to do today, and that's why I'm recording at night. I hope this is good.